In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your accountant in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial step to ensure your financial records are precisely managed and your accountant can access the necessary data to help with your bookkeeping needs. Let's navigate through this process together in just a few minutes. First, what you need to do is click on the Sign In button at the QuickBooks Online homepage. This will be your starting point every time you want to make changes or updates to your account information. Once you click Sign In, you'll be presented with various options. Make sure to choose QuickBooks Online from the list. This selection is key to ensuring you're navigating the tools specifically designed for online users and accessing the right platform. Next, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password to access your account. Once you've filled in those details, click on Continue. It's vital to ensure that your login information is correct for a smooth transition into your account. Double checking your input can save you time and frustration. After successfully logging in, navigate to the My Accountant section. You can typically find this within the accounting menu in the sidebar on your dashboard. This area in QuickBooks is designed to facilitate collaboration between you and your accountant, providing them with access to your financial data while keeping everything organized and secure. Now you will need to type in your accountant's email address. Ensure that you have the correct email to avoid any issues with the invitation. Enter the email in the provided field carefully, as this step is crucial to getting your accountant successfully connected to your QuickBooks account. Once you have entered the email address, the next step is to click on the Invite button. This action sends an invitation directly to your accountant, granting them permission to access your records. Clicking Invite is the final step needed to authorize their access, and QuickBooks will handle the rest, ensuring that they receive a notification to accept the invitation. Lastly, a quick tip. It's a good idea to notify your accountant personally that you've sent them an invite code. Sometimes these automatic invitations may end up in spam folders or get overlooked, so a heads up from you can ensure they'll see and respond to the invite promptly. And that's it! In just a few short steps, you've successfully added your accountant to QuickBooks Online, paving the way for seamless collaboration on your financial management. Remember, keeping your financial information organized and accessible is fundamental to successful business operations. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher.